I uninstalled an application from my computer using the built-in Windows 11 Add Remove Program feature. And this is everything it leaves behind. Let's talk about it. Whether you're freeing up space, improving performance, or just trying to keep things tidy, uninstalling apps and removing files completely is essential. Unfortunately, the Windows default uninstaller leaves behind files, folders, registry values. That's where today's tool comes in. It's fast, efficient, and best of all, it's got a free version. I'm going to show you a program not developed by Microsoft that will not only remove all traces of a program, but has built-in tools to permanently delete files and sensitive data on your computer. In addition, it takes all of the built-in Windows optimization tools and puts them in one convenient app. Today, we're talking about Revo Uninstaller. You know the drill. I'll break it down, show you where to get it, show you how to set it up. Let's go. Revo Uninstaller is a powerful and user-friendly software designed to help you completely uninstall unwanted programs from your Windows PC. Unlike the built-in uninstaller in Windows, Revo goes the extra mile by thoroughly scanning and removing leftover files, folders, and registry entries associated with uninstalled software. This ensures your system stays clean, clutter-free, and optimized for better performance. Key features include scanning for remnants. This tool thoroughly scans and removes leftover files, folders, and registry entries after the default uninstaller completes its job. Hunter mode allows targeting and uninstalling programs by simply dragging and dropping their icons into the Hunter window. Junk files cleaner deletes unnecessary and temporary files from your system to free up space. Auto Run Manager manages startup programs to improve boot times and overall performance. Windows Tools provides easy access to built-in Windows utilities like System Restore, Disk Cleanup, and more. Portable Version Option allows you to use Revo Uninstaller free from a USB drive without installation. Revo Uninstaller works with both 32-bit and 64-bit programs on Windows. With both free and pro versions available, Revo Uninstaller is an essential utility for anyone looking to maintain a well-organized and efficient PC. Make sure you stick around to the setup portion of the video. You're not going to believe how much stuff is left behind after I uninstall a program. Also, there is a unique feature that will help protect your privacy and permanently remove data from your system. Before we jump into the setup, if you're finding value in this video, please like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Subscribing to the channel doesn't cost you a thing, but it helps me out tremendously with that YouTube algorithm. It helps me grow the channel so I can continue to bring you content just like this. Let's get back to the video. Alright, so we're going to jump here into Google. We're going to type in Revo Uninstaller. And we're going to come right here to free downloads. We're going to go right here to free download. That's going to download up here in the top right hand corner of my screen. If you go over to your downloads folder, you'll see the application there. Go ahead and double click on that. I'm going to close out these other screens once that installer starts. My language is English. I'm going to select OK. I'm going to accept my agreement. We're going to let it create a desktop icon. I am going to turn off this helper. Then I'm going to click Next and Install. Okay, once it's done, go ahead and click Finish. And here we go. So let's find a program that we can uninstall. And I'm going to go ahead and uninstall OpenOffice. Just going to click Uninstall here. So now the first thing it's going to do is, are you sure you want to uninstall? Hit Continue. Now it's actually going to use the native uninstall program for OpenOffice. If there is one available, it will use that first, but the cool stuff happens after this one. So you'll see what it removes here with the standard uninstall wizard. Remove my programs, yes. Just going through the wizard, removing shortcuts, removing files, all of the standard stuff. Okay, now according to this, it's gone, right? Gone from my computer. So now I'm going to let Revo scan for remnants of that program. Look at all of this stuff left behind. These are just the registry values for OpenOffice. That's everything that was left behind. And this happens every time you uninstall a program. So I'm going to select all and then delete it. Now, these are all the leftover files and folders that it's found after the program was removed. This is all clutter on your computer. I'm going to select all that. Then I'm going to select delete. Are you sure? Yes, gone. Now, the program is truly gone from our computer. So let's take a look over here. If the program that you're looking to uninstall isn't on the first screen, check the Windows app screen here. These are actual Windows apps. You can go through here and find anything that you want to get rid of. If we take a look at the tools, we have Auto Run Manager. We have a junk file cleaner. I don't actually have any junk files on this computer right now. That's why that's blank. Then we have a browser cleaner, so you can go through and select all the browser stuff on your computer, clean those. I'm not going to do that right now, but I can clear my browsing history and cookies from all browsers on my computer at once. And here's a Windows cleaner with different tasks that you can do with inside Windows. Again, these are native Windows applications, but this puts them all in one place for you. This is a really cool one, the evidence remover. So I can select both of the drives on my computer and run this, and it's not going to delete existing files. It's going to go through and remove files that have already been deleted. And by that I mean, you know, when you delete a file, it doesn't actually go anywhere. It just makes that space available to write new files over. So this will go through here and clean all of that, so that if you've got some stuff on your computer that you are concerned about for privacy reasons, once you delete it, you can come through here and actually delete it. These are just some other options. These are add files. We can come through here and add files that we want to delete and remove permanently. You can add folders, delete forever, help, upgrade to pro. And that's it. Go in and play around with it. It is a very useful tool for permanently removing applications and files from your computer. And there you have it. A free tool to permanently remove applications and files from your computer and help you optimize it along the way. Don't forget to like and share the video, and please subscribe to the channel. Check out some of these other video suggestions. Thank you for watching, and until next time.